like apples, bright and fun, like a rocket or the setting sun. Blue like oceans, calm and wide, like the sky where birds all glide. Yellow like the shining sun, lemon stars and lots of fun. Green like grass and hopping frogs, leafy trees and bumpy logs. Orange like juice and tiger stripes, a zesty pop that's full of life. Purple hats and grapes so sweet, magic shoes on dancing feet. Pink like flowers, candy cheer, soft and lovely, always near. Brown like bears and cocoa warm, puppies playing on the farm. Black like cats in nighttime skies, with shiny stars before your eyes. White like snow and fluffy sheep, clouds that drift while you're asleep. Color